All right, just got a couple things to get ready on the device. Good. All right, so the first part of the test is spirometry, which we're trying to measure your lung volumes itself. So we use this device here. These are disposable turbines, so don't worry about that. Or belongs to you and be thrown out afterwards. Okay?
Okay.
So you hang on to this, and we use an app that will actually measure everything. But we need you to enter your name, birth date, your origin, your weight, height, and gender. All of those metrics are required for us to be able to do a calculation. Good, excellent. All right, holding the device, make sure you don't put your hand in front of the turbine itself, because that's where the measurement happens. You're gonna take a deep breath in. You put your teeth right on the tube and you close your mouth around the tube itself, and you're gonna breathe out as hard as you can for as long as you can. The device continues to measure for 6 seconds, okay, but you wanna get as much air out as you can at the beginning. So deep breath in, pipe in the mouth, teeth on the cardboards, close your mouth around the cardboard and breathe out. Okay, you're allowed to kind of squeeze down, but I don't want you to bend forward, okay? Try and get that air out quickly. This will tell us on here whether it was a good blow or not. We're looking for one good blow, and we'll be able to use the metrics from that. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right. And just syncing the device. Good, we're ready to go. And deep breath in. Go, 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 go. Good. All right, we'll just wait for it to come back up. Okay, a little less hesitation right off the bat. Make sure that once you take that deep breath in, you push it out really well. And begin. Good, good, keep going, keep going, keep going. Good, good, good. Excellent. Good, and I want one more, okay? Ready? Deep breath in, and all the way out. Push, 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 push. Good. Excellent. Now, what we want is, say, good blow here, okay? So we're gonna have to keep going until we actually get it. So it's talking about an abrupt end, which means that you know when you're squeezing that last bit out at the end, it should end like, not, okay? So make sure you squeeze every last bit out at the end. And again, deep, deep breath in. Good, push it out hard, push it out fast. And squeeze every last ounce out. Better. All right. Just looking at your metrics, everything looks pretty good here. Excellent. Thank you very much. That's the easy part of the test. Okay?
Okay.
So for the next part of the test, I just want to explain the step test to you so you understand what goes on. So there's 2 steps with different heights. Your job is to step up on each step and down on each step. And what it'll talk about going, stepping up and stepping down. So it'll say up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3. You don't ever put 2 feet on the second step, you're always moving through, but 2 on the top step and 2 on the ground. So up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3. For the first 6 steps, all it does is every 2 minutes, it makes you move up and down the stairs a little quicker. But you'll hear a step count change every 2 minutes. It'll warn you. So any questions with that?
No.
Only rule is that you can't be partially on the step, we want you fully on the step. Okay? Give that a shot. Two, 3, down, 2, 3. 2, 3, down, 2, 3. You can do anything you want with your arms, like you're normally climbing the stairs. Okay? Anything that allows you to keep up. Don't go faster than the beat, don't go slower than the beat, and wait for the first up for you to be able to start. That'll be helpful. Otherwise you'll end up in reverse order. Doesn't matter what step, what foot you step forward with. Okay? So, and then stages 7 and 8, if you make it that far, you come around this side, and for stage 7 and 8, you step all the way out to the top of the box, up and down. Okay?
Okay.
So it keeps a fairly rapid pace, so it's quite difficult stages 7 and 8. Okay, you want to give that a shot? Same rule, try and keep your whole foot on the box. Good. Any problem with that? All right, go to that side, and what I'll do is I want you to kind of experience the soundtrack so that you're familiar with it. The rubber gloves makes this very interesting for pressing numbers. All right. So this is what the soundtrack sounds like.
This is stepping exercise, stage 1 for men. Be prepared to step to the music.
Okay, remember, wait for the
5,
up, 2, 3, down 2,
3, 2, 1. Down, 2, 3.
up, 2, 3.
Down, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2.
Whole foot on the step.
Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2,
Good.
3.
All right, and all it does, like I said, every 2 minutes, I'll warn you, there's 1 minute left, and then it'll do a tick, tick, tick with a faster metronome, and then you'll know it's about to go into the next higher speed. Again, just try and keep up with the beats. Any questions?
No.
Right on. So let's get you wired up. So, are you familiar with wearing a heart rate strap?
Yes.
Good. You mind mounting that up? Make sure it's damp as well so you get a good reading. All right, so I want you to notice that we're using a single-use filter for you. This makes it absolutely safe. Good. And what we want to do is we want to put on the backpack. Good. And we just have to make sure that's comfortable. All right. Just need to spin this around a bit. Make sure that cable's out of your way. Good. All right. Now what we have to do is we have to enter you into our app. Again, to be able to do it, would you mind hanging on to that? Thank you. going to take that from you. What I want you to do is you have to enter in your name, essentially follow through the screens here, okay? Excellent. All right, hang on to that. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to pick our step test. Now the step test consists of 3 parts. The first is a 3-minute test where you're just standing. You're going to stand just in front of the step. All I want you to do is stand in place, no moving, and no talking. The next part of the test is the actual stepping for a potential of 8 stages, as we said. When you finish the highest intensity you can do, and I'm talking 9.5, 10 out of 10 RPE, or rate of perceived exertion, you can stop at any time, but try and get as high of intensity as you can. As soon as you stop, what I want you to do is just stand behind the step quietly for 2 minutes, okay? So don't move around, because we're going to be recording you after you complete the step part of the test for 2 minutes to find out how well you recover. Any questions?
Nope.
All right, so what we have to do is we're going to pick our step test, and then what we're going to have to do is sync everything. So this is what we're doing right now. And all we're looking for is your polar heart rate stroke.
Yes.
And I'm not, where's the polar heart rate stroke? There we go. Finish pairing. Good. Now what we have to do is calibrate. Since this room is so large and airy, we can do it here. Good. And now what we can do is we can mount the mask up. So, there you go. And just feed this over the back of your head. All right. Now, make sure it just feels square. So does it feel square on your face, or do you need to move it around a bit? Before you do that, good. All right, now you can tighten it up. Should be snug but comfortable, okay? Good there? All right, want to take a deep breath in and breathe out. Any air escaping around the mask at all? None? All right. Just going to attach this. Good. One more check. Breath in. Breath out. Nothing? Excellent. We're all set up and ready to go. All right. We'll get the sound ready to go. And remember, the first 3 minutes is standing still, no talking, no moving. Are you ready? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a look and make sure that we're getting really good data from the device before we start the test. This will take about 30 to 60 seconds, so just relax there. Anytime now, it should be popping up some numbers that we can check. Everything's looking good. All right, so now we're officially starting the test. 3 minutes, relaxed breathing. No moving. You have 1 minute and 10 seconds left. 20 seconds. All right, moving on.
This is stepping exercise, stage 1 for men. Be prepared to step to the music.
You ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3.
Wonderful.
Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. 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 One more minute. Down, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2,
Keep the rhythm.
3. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 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 3. Up,
About
2,
10 seconds.
3.
And then it's going to switch
Down,
on.
2,
Just listen to the
3.
metronome.
Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3. Down, 2, 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Start at the bottom.
Down, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3.
Good.
Down, 2, 3.
Full foot on the step.
2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3,
Good.
up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, 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 up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3. One more minute. Down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, 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 down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3,
Alright, switch coming
down,
up.
2, 3, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, 5, 4,
Down to the
3,
bottom step.
2, 1, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3,
You got it.
down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, down, 2,
Perfect.
3, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, two, three, down, two, three, up, 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 two, three, down.
30 seconds we're on this speed.
Up, two, three, down, two, three, 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 up, two, three, down, two, three,
All right, get prepared for those spits.
down, two, three, up, two, three, down, two, three, up, two, three, down, two, three, up, two, three, down, two, three, 5, 4,
Bottom
3,
step.
2, 1.
Wait for the up.
Up, two, three, down, two, three, up, two,
Very good.
three, down, two, three, up, two,
Pretty quick.
down, up, two, three, down, two, three, 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 up, two, three, down, two, three,
Keep up. Good. But another 15 seconds at this level. There's one level faster. Keep up. You give me a thumbs down when you're done. Keep up. Back to the bottom. Good work. Good work. Good rhythm. So good? Go as far as you can. If you need to stop, you stop at the bottom. Yeah, keep it up. Keep up. Stop at the bottom. Get ready. Keep it up. As hard as you can. Under that here. About a 9.5 minute out of 10 effort, but as soon as you're tired, about as far as you can, stop at the bottom. Together. Again. Back into it. Are you done? Okay. Well done. Now 2 minutes. Just relax in place, no talking. Good. No moving. Just 2 minutes of relax. Another minute and a half, just relaxing. One more minute. Thirty more seconds. All right, well done. So let's get that mask off, yeah? And you can have a cool down and some water. Turn your head this way. Well done. Excellent test. So when you finished, what made you stop at the end? Was it legs or breathing?
Thanks.
Legs? Right on. And did you give me a 9.5, 10 out of 10?
8. 8.5.
8.5? But you just couldn't keep going with your legs, eh?
Okay. I feel better all the time.
You feel
Better,
burned? Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah, it's a hard workout. Well done, sir.